Case file number 007, the double crochet procedure. This is case file number 007. We are reviewing restored footage of a highly efficient textile maneuver, the double crochet. The original log indicates this procedure is utilized for rapid, large-scale construction, specifically blankets. The resulting stitch volume significantly exceeds that of the standard single or half-double crochet. The subject initiates standard protocols. A rudimentary slipknot is formed. A foundational sequence is established. In this instance, chaining 15 discrete units, the subject marks the boundary of the 15th stitch and chains 2 supplementary units to establish elevation. Observe the primary maneuver. The procedure targets the 3rd chain from the hook. The subject executes a yarn over before insertion. The hardware enters the chain, and the fiber is pulled through the initial loop. 3 loops now occupy the hook. A second yarn over, the fiber is pulled through 2 loops, a final yarn over, and it is pulled through the remaining 2. This completes the double crochet. The sequence is repeated across the row. Yarn over, insert, pull through 2, pull through the final 2. A continuous rhythmic progression. The subject reaches the terminus of the initial chain. The material is pivoted. To achieve the necessary elevation for the secondary level, the practitioner may chain 2 or 3 units. The subject selects 2, noting it yields a tighter structural edge. The primary maneuver resumes. During the secondary level, a minor hardware fumble is documented. The hook slips. Notice the mitigation. The fiber is simply unraveled, and the stitch is reset. The subject's audio log notes that such deviations do not compromise the overall integrity of the project. These minor anomalies and imperfections merely add a unique, personalized signature to the final artifact. This concludes our observation of case file number 007. Analog crafts for a digital world.